For homeowners in Pascagoula, comfort and functionality are essential elements of a well-designed home. The bathroom, in particular, plays a significant role in daily routines and overall quality of life. Traditional bathtubs, while functional, may not meet the needs of everyone in the household, especially seniors, individuals with mobility challenges, or those seeking a safer and more luxurious bathing experience. Walk-in baths offer a transformative solution, combining accessibility, safety, and style. Here are the top benefits of installing walk-in baths in Pascagoula homes. Enhanced safety for all users. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for walk-in baths is the enhanced safety they provide. Traditional bathtubs often require users to step over a high edge, increasing the risk of slips and falls, a common concern, especially for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. Walk-in baths feature low-threshold doors, allowing users to step in and out with ease. Additional safety features such as non-slip flooring, grab bars, and built-in seating further reduce the likelihood of accidents. These thoughtful design elements ensure a secure bathing experience for all members of the household, providing peace of mind for both users and caregivers. Improved accessibility. Accessibility is a key benefit of walk-in baths, making them an ideal choice for individuals who face challenges using traditional tubs. Features like wide-opening doors, ergonomic seating, and handheld showerheads cater to a variety of needs, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a comfortable and dignified bathing experience. For Pascagoula residents looking to age in place, a walk-in bath is an excellent investment. It allows homeowners to maintain their independence and continue enjoying their homes without the need for extensive renovations or additional assistance. Therapeutic benefits for health and wellness. Walk-in baths go beyond functionality by offering a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. Many models come equipped with therapeutic features that promote relaxation and support physical well-being. Hydrotherapy jets. Massaging water jets target sore muscles and joints, providing relief from conditions like arthritis, chronic pain, and muscle tension. Air bubble systems. Gentle air bubbles create a soothing effect, helping to reduce stress and improve circulation. Heated seating and backrests. These features keep you warm and comfortable throughout your bath, enhancing relaxation. For Pascagoula homeowners seeking a way to unwind after a long day or alleviate physical discomfort, a walk-in bath provides the perfect solution. Customizable options to fit your space and style. Walk-in baths are available in a variety of sizes, styles, and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose a design that complements their bathroom's aesthetic. From compact models for smaller spaces to luxurious tubs with premium materials like natural stone or tile surrounds, there's a walk-in bath to suit every need and taste. Customization options also extend to features and functionality. Homeowners can select from a range of add-ons, such as chromotherapy lighting, aromatherapy systems, or quick-drain technology. This level of personalization ensures that your walk-in bath not only meets your functional requirements but also enhances the overall look and feel of your bathroom. Increase home value and appeal. Upgrading to a walk-in bath is not just about personal comfort, it's also a smart financial decision. Modern, accessible features are increasingly sought after by homebuyers, making your property more appealing in the competitive Pascagoula real estate market. A well-designed walk-in bath signals to potential buyers that your home is thoughtfully equipped for individuals of all ages and abilities. Even if you're not planning to sell in the near future, knowing that your investment adds value to your home is a rewarding benefit. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Walk-in baths are built with durability and convenience in mind. High-quality materials such as non-porous surfaces and easy-to-clean finishes make maintenance a breeze. Many models are also equipped with self-cleaning systems, reducing the time and effort required to keep your tub in pristine condition. For busy Pascagoula homeowners, the combination of low maintenance and long-lasting durability ensures that your walk-in bath remains a functional and attractive feature for years to come. Transform your bathroom with a walk-in bath. Installing a walk-in bath is more than just a bathroom upgrade. It's an investment in safety, comfort, and quality of life. For Pascagoula homeowners, the benefits of a walk-in bath extend beyond practicality, offering therapeutic advantages, increased home value, and a touch of luxury. If you're ready to transform your bathroom, contact a trusted local installer to explore your options. With the right walk-in bath, you can create a space that meets your needs, enhances your home's functionality, and provides a daily retreat you'll love for years to come.